up, guys? My name is Curtis, and welcome to 2 Seasons of Today, what will we be making, Kurt?
Steak and potatoes.
Steak and potatoes is today's meal choice. So what we have here is what we call this? Steak, also known as the T-bone steak. We also have some green beans here, and we have a couple of potatoes that we're going to make. Cut them up. A little bit of butter, right? Exactly.
First, you gotta cut the potatoes. You gotta be very careful because you're gonna hurt yourself.
All of the potatoes are cut, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer these potatoes into a bowl,
and we're gonna season them. Get your pencil ready. Look at my special combo. Garlic for flavor. Onion for flavor.
Yes. Is that pepper?
Pepper for spice.
Spicy. Okay. So let me just go ahead and put them in the bowl for you, son. There you go. Put this here. Wait a second. All right. Give it a nice light seasoning. All right. Let's move on to the next. Okay, that's nice. And some pepper. There you go. All right. So the next thing we're going to do with the potatoes is we're going to put them into a pot and we're going to boil them for about 15 minutes.
Like 100 minutes.
100 minutes? That's a long time, dude.
This kid, you gotta wait 10 minutes. The potatoes gonna get hot. Time for the steak. The best part. Don't forget your special combo. And guess what? Here's secret ingredient. Rosemary.
It's the secret to making all steaks taste
delicious.
Exactly. Makes you wanna just
delicious.
Scream like ah! Remember, guys, garlic, onion powder, and pepper and rosemary. That's all you need to make a delicious steak anytime, anywhere, any place.
We're gonna cook the steak.
Right, so we're gonna cook the steak, right? And I think we gotta cook the steak for
6 minutes.
6 minutes on each side, exactly. We cook our steaks, we lay the steak away from us. I learned that from watching a lot of cooking shows. There you go. And how long we gotta cook it on each side?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Very important, you guys. Very important.
This time, Dad's gonna cook. Soon I'll be big enough. Wow, look at that sear. It looks amazing.
Alright, and since we're making steak and potatoes, I thought we might add some green beans because veggies is always a good thing to have. Alright.
We have beans and potatoes and steak.
And steak and potatoes and greens. What do you think, buddy?
I think it's really good.
I think it's really good too. You want to smell it?
It's really spiky.
Smells spiky? Alright, guys. We done finished up the meal. Steak and potatoes. It was very good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed me and my boy here sitting here cooking. And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And don't forget to share. And we're out of here. Let's go.